The healing power of spirituality, a light on the path to bipolar disorder symptom management. I am at peace with my emotions. Each day is a new opportunity for stability and growth. I have a support system that cares about my well-being. I am resilient by practicing serenity. I am not defined by any diagnosis, I am a unique and valuable individual. I can learn from both manic and depressive episodes to lead a more balanced life and help others do the same. Self-care is my priority, and I deserve to take care of my mental, physical and spiritual health. I am capable of finding joy and purpose in life, despite the ups and downs. I am on an upward trajectory. I am a powerful soul, and my spirit can thrive with the right strategies in place. Today, I choose to focus on the positive aspects of my life and journey. I am worthy of love, acceptance, and understanding, no matter what my mood. I embrace the ebb and flow of life, knowing that balance is the nature of my eternal beingness. I am not alone in my journey, there are others who understand and support me. I choose to focus on the present moment, finding peace in the here and now. I have the emotional flexibility to face any challenges that come my way. My mental health is a priority, and I am committed to self-improvement. My mind is a bright shining diamond illuminating the world with crystal clear thinking. I am grateful for the lessons that bipolar disorder has taught me, and I let go of all the unnecessary baggage that has held me down. I am free. I am capable of achieving my goals and dreams, no matter how big or small. I am a source of inspiration and hope for myself and others. I believe in my ability to create a fulfilling and meaningful life. These affirmations can serve as reminders of your inner strength and resilience. Repeating them regularly can help shift your mindset toward positivity and self-empowerment. Now, let's talk about it. Bipolar disorder is a complex and challenging mental health condition characterized by extreme mood swings, including manic highs and depressive lows. Managing this condition often involves a combination of medication, therapy, and lifestyle adjustments. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in the positive effects and benefits of spiritual practices on bipolar disorder symptoms. While spirituality is not a replacement for medical treatment, it can play a complementary and supportive role in improving the well-being of individuals living with bipolar disorder. This video explores how spiritual practices can offer solace, stability, and a sense of purpose, ultimately contributing to the holistic management of bipolar disorder. Here are 5 potential benefits of spiritual practices. 1. Emotional regulation. One of the most profound benefits of spirituality for individuals with bipolar disorder is its potential to aid in emotional regulation. Spiritual practices often emphasize mindfulness, meditation, and self-awareness. These techniques can help individuals become more attuned to their emotional states and triggers, allowing them to better anticipate and manage mood swings. For instance, mindfulness meditation encourages the cultivation of a non-judgmental awareness of thoughts and emotions, enabling individuals to gain control over their reactions to challenging situations. You may wish to affirm, "I am loving and I am loved in equal measure. I am love itself." 2. A peaceful state of being. Stress is a well-known trigger for bipolar episodes, and managing stress is crucial for symptom management. Engaging in spiritual practices, such as prayer, yoga, or Tai Chi, can significantly reduce stress levels. These activities promote relaxation, release tension, and increase the production of feel-good neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. By reducing stress, spiritual practices can help stabilize mood and decrease the risk of manic or depressive episodes. You may wish to affirm, "My inner being is a source of light that vibrates love with every moment I make." 3. Social support. Many spiritual communities provide a sense of belonging and social support, which is invaluable for individuals living with bipolar disorder. Being part of a supportive spiritual group can reduce feelings of isolation and offer a network of people who understand and empathize with the challenges of the condition. Social connections and a strong support system are known to enhance mental health and resilience. You may wish to affirm, "I am a valuable member of a community that serves the world for the betterment of humanity and all living beings." 4. A sense of purpose and hope. Spirituality often provides a sense of purpose and meaning in life, which can be especially beneficial for those grappling with bipolar disorder. A strong belief system can offer hope during challenging times and motivate individuals to adhere to their treatment plans. Feeling connected to something greater than oneself can instill a sense of optimism and resilience, reducing the emotional toll of bipolar disorder. You may wish to affirm, "My life is meaningful and I am a valuable spirit swimming in the ocean of eternal love." 5. Thriving mechanisms. Spiritual practices teach valuable mechanisms that create a mental state of thriving and abundance of positivity that can be applied when dealing with the highs and lows of bipolar disorder. These practices often emphasize acceptance, forgiveness, and gratitude. By incorporating these principles into their lives, individuals with bipolar disorder can develop healthier ways of dealing with setbacks, reducing the impact of mood swings on their overall well-being. You may wish to affirm, "Thank you, universe, for my peaceful state of mind." In conclusion, while spirituality should not replace medical treatment for bipolar disorder, It can serve as a valuable complementary approach to symptom management. Spiritual practices offer emotional regulation, stress reduction, social support, a sense of purpose, and coping mechanisms that can enhance the overall quality of life for individuals living with bipolar disorder. However, it is essential that individuals consult with mental health professionals and work closely with their treatment teams to create a well-rounded and personalized approach to managing their condition. When integrated thoughtfully and responsibly, spirituality can be a source of solace and strength on the journey towards stability and mental wellness for those with bipolar disorder. Remember, these thoughts are just one part of a comprehensive approach to managing bipolar disorder. It's essential to work closely with healthcare professionals and explore treatment options tailored to your specific needs. God Candy congratulates you for successfully reaching a peaceful state of mind and appreciates you for helping others on their path. Always remember that you are a sweet expression of God and that you deserve the best because you are the best.